Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right on into this pack with me video. Yes, my carry-on is yellow, but I will never lose it at the airport, okay? So I'm gonna open it up and let's jump right on in. So these little compartments here, I think they're made for shoes, but I use them for my undergarments, my bathing suit, things like that go into those little sections. And the next thing that is a must-have for me is a neck pillow. I fall asleep on the airplane so fast, so I need me a comfortable neck pillow. And this one has little clasps that I use because I just hook it onto my backpack and I never have to worry about it. I don't have to worry about, did I put it down somewhere? Am I gonna lose it? It's always right there hooked on to my backpack or my purse. Perfect. And the next piece I have is this little toiletry case. I got a long time ago in a CVS kit, but it's super cute and it holds all my toiletries and my makeup. If you want to see what's in my travel makeup bag, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll get that video out for you guys. So the first thing that's in here is the case for my Clarisonic Mia 2. It protects it while I travel. And all my toiletries are in this clear little compartment here. Awesome little case. It protects everything, keeps everything confined. I don't have to worry about spills. So super great, super easy with that little case. Now onto the clothing items that I have. This first piece is from Target. It's super cute. I love the gold foiling detail on this tank top. It just dresses it up, but it's still a tank top. It's still light. It's still perfect for hot weather, but the gold foil makes it a little bit special. And the next thing I have, let's see, it's just a basic black tank top. I honestly just brought it just in case I wanted to layer it with something or a night was chilly and I wanted to throw it on underneath a shirt. I had something to do that with. The next thing I have, let's see, are a pair of leggings. So the day of the trip, I actually swapped out these leggings for a pair of yoga pants that I wore on the plane. But whatever is comfortable, that's usually what I wear to the airport, okay? Because ain't nobody trying to be, worrying about what they're wearing at the airport. And this is also my airport top, a Hope Dealer shirt. Super cute. I think Amazon has these now. I got it at my church a while back, but I'm pretty sure you can find them on Amazon. The next piece I have is this cute floral shirt that has like the open sleeves, the open shoulder sleeves with a little tie at the end. And I love the color of the shirt and the flowers are super cute. Really fun for summer. But y'all, like, I didn't wear it. I didn't even wear it. But it's okay. It's fine. I brought it as an option. It's alright. And this shirt is really, really adorable. I think it's from TJ Maxx, but this black shirt, super cute. I love the detailing. I also didn't wear this shirt, but look at that embroidery, it's so cute. And I love the top of this shirt because it's almost like a tuxedo top with the open shoulders and the cap sleeve. Really, really pretty, super dressy. I love this one, but I just didn't get a chance to wear it on the trip. It's okay, no worries, next time. The next thing I have is a pair of jeans, just one. I'm going to Miami, so I'm not bringing a lot of long pants, but these ones are honestly the most comfortable pair of jeans I have. I like the wash. I love the little rips at the knees and the little bits and pieces of distressing that it has. It's really cute. These are from TJ Maxx. So I just brought one pair of jeans just in case the night was a little cold and I just wanted to wear something longer. The next piece I have is my night shirt. Y'all, I love sleeping in night shirts. I don't like to wear pants to go to sleep, so a night shirt is like the best thing for me. The next thing I have is this romper. This romper is everything. Like, it's so cute. I love the color of the flowers against the navy, and it has a little tie to cinch in the waist, and it has pockets for the win. Like, rompers without pockets, like, why do we even make those? Like, someone tell me. But this one's really cute. It was from Rainbows, super affordable. The next piece I have is a pair of shorts. These pair of shorts I believe are from Target, but I love the wash. I love the distressing. The holes are all perfectly placed. It's just really cute, casual, easy to throw on. So I brought those just in case too. And the next piece I have is this jumpsuit, also from Rainbows, and this one is new. I brought it just for Miami because your girl was trying to stunt in Miami, you know. Super cute, y'all. Really form-fitting. I was not prepared for how form-fitting it was, but that's okay. It's really cute. A v-neck. It has a little tie around the waist to bring in your waist, and the slits go up to the knee in the front. Super adorable, might I say, a little bit sexy. And the next few things I have in here are, let's see, these are some gifts I brought down for the people I'm going to see. So this first one is a devotional from Target. I'm actually going to pick this one up myself on Amazon. They do have it on Amazon. And my cousins, yes, they just had some babies. So my first cousin had a little girl, and how cute is this dress with the palm leaves? It's gonna be perfect. She lives in Miami, so she's gonna fit right into the style with this little off-the-shoulder dress. And my other cousin had a little boy, and how cute. It looks like he needs to be on a yacht somewhere, like with some Spurries, sailing. Yes, super adorable. I love everything I brought, and I felt like I did a really good job at not overpacking that much, even though some of the pieces I didn't wear. But I have gotten a lot better at condensing what I pack. So I think I did a good job, y'all. So on to the next things are my shoes and what I'm bringing. I'm not bringing a lot of shoes, y'all, just a few pairs. So first thing is some slides. Basic Adidas slides. I got these at TJ Maxx for a discounted price. And flip-flops. You're going to Miami. Flip-flops for the shower or for going to the beach. So a pair of basic flip-flops. And the shoes I wore to the airport. Just really cute, easy to slip on and slip off shoes that keep my feet warm. So that's what I brought to wear while traveling. And this is my personal item bag. I love this bag. It is the perfect size. It holds everything that you need. The print is so beautiful, and it has all these compartments, so everything has a home, and it has water slots for your water bottle or like umbrella if you're going somewhere during the rainy season. And it's just super adorable. And it's by Vera Bradley. I haven't seen much of this print around, but I'm pretty sure if you hunt online or something, you can probably find this print. But I do have a what's in my personal item bag video coming up after this one. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share before you go. That helps me out a lot. So until next time, bye.